Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Jolif215. Welcome to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, do everything you gotta do. So yeah, come on. So we outside. We outside. This is a little hiking place, you know, nothing crazy. So yeah, enjoy the video.
Bye.
So if you need someone to chill, I know they ain't shut it down. Yes, they did, but
Turn right onto Beach Street.
We're gonna find it. Turn right. But where is the entrance? That used to be the opening, people. Like that back there used to be the opening.
In a quarter mile, arrive at your destination.
It's your line. We got some new houses, new project on the way. So if you need some new houses, come out here. Well, hold on. They don't change. All right, y'all. We about to unlock this bitch. We about to unlock this bush rough. I'm about to come out. So stay tuned.
So you guys, we are about to enter.
This is a whole different new location unlock. So come on, let's go in here. Hopefully we don't get lost. But if we get lost, we're gonna find our way, right?
Yeah.
All right, come on.
I'm scared.
Well, don't be scared. So if you want to go hiking, walking around just to clear your mind, you know, that's just the stuff. So you can enjoy the view.
Yeah, I'm not going in there. I'm scared. There's spiders. Somebody. Way smart.
We out here. So like I said, if you want to go like hiking, you want to just get out the house to go for a walk, you know, this is this place. So the view. This is the view. We got nice houses on this side. They got big ass water back here, so we're gonna check that out. So check this place out. So, you know, just come for a walk, you know. It's the summertime, during the summertime. People do go fishing, like if you want to fishing and stuff, if you're not a fishing, you can come here and fishing for some fish. I don't know if they got crabs and things, but shit back there. But we out here. You come here, some people can fishing, you can do different things if you want. It's life out here, so if y'all want something new, come here and enjoy yourself. That's what people do. So, yeah.
Bye.
No, show me around first. Alright, come on.
Okay. Small daddy.
So pretty much, like I said, photo shoots. If you want to do photo shoots, just chill.
Is something popped out this water? Oh no, I feel something on me.
If you don't want to, you want me to take you back to the car?
No.
So these, you know, kids come here, they do graffiti art, they do different things. So yeah, you just like, you know, come out and enjoy the view. Can you take my picture right here? Share the scene, something. So hey, it's on. So pretty much, like I said, kids come here, they do graffiti art, they do different things. You can come, you can chill with your friends. It's a big ass, it's the water place out here. You can do pretty much anything.
So this is a nice place, y'all. For real. It got my first last name on it. T-E-R.
Like, don't go closer to that water. Me and my phone went over there before.
This is how the water looks. Huh? Okay, I'm not.
I don't know how to swim. I show you don't know how to swim either, do you?
No. But it's a nice place, you guys.
Now look at this view from here though. Like you can literally see the city from here. Like the city is weird up here. That's the bridge. All right, come on. The people are fishing back here. Let's go see them. Baby, except we drop. You do they got, but they live in literally right here by the waterfront.
We can literally sit out here and talk about stuff.
They back here fishing it. Is that right? I told you people be out here fishing and stuff, smoking weed, play music. But like I said, if you need something to do, you just want to go for a stroll, for a walk, you want to come out here to smoke, you can do all that shit. We out here in the park by the lake. Sometimes people get literally caught there here, but that sound, I don't know what's that sound, but I remember we went over there by the water, but that sound is scaring the hell out of me. So I'm not so I'm not even gonna do that. This is another hill too, like
We're not going up there.
right. I wonder what used to be here. Like, it used to be like a house, like a hotel. Cause there's gotta be something, right?
Yeah, because it like looks old.
Yeah, like.
Or like it could be like a beach.
I thought it was.
Oh my God, somebody run.
Oh my God, where they at? Come on. Come on. Oh my God. Oh my God. Girl, where? Where? Come on. This is the exit.
It's really creepy, y'all. Y'all can literally hear it. But it was out here.
These are the exit. Right, this is the exit.
Where we going? Oh,
Where we going home?
I thought we were going there. I'm going to water.
And this is the parking lot. Girl, I'm about to come in and take all these rocks and take it to the house. Put it in the yard. Close what? Oh, girl, give me. I'm closing. People, look at my feet. Like, that shit is deplorable. Let me see yours.
Look, my feet is deplorable too. Like, look.
Girl, I know. We should wear sneakers, child.
I should have wear socks.
So if you're leaving out, this is like the address, pretty much. I'm gonna just have this on here.
At the light, turn left onto Richmond Street.
Yep. I think y'all heard the GPS, so